nothing to do. I gave the clearance. That's it.
So apparently namatay yung aking microphone and it cut off, and as you can see from a lot of other instances, hindi nag-link up or biglang nawawala yung audio, and I'm too lazy to kind of add onto that and do some voiceover, pero here I will do it kasi tuloy-tuloy siya. But this is actually what I was saying, or at least the gist of it. Kaya naman si Baste ang nagreklamo, pero na-dismiss din agad. I guess Amy is right. Marcos and basically the power brokers want to, at the very least, give Remulla a fair shot at the helm of the ombudsman. Malabas namang, si Remulla talaga ang gusto nila para maging ombudsman. Or that they're just adhering to the Supreme Court's ruling that dismissed the complaints laban kay Remulla and the gang. At of course, that they see this as nothing more than delay tactic para ma-pressure ang JBC na magbigay agad ng pangalan sa Pangulo without giving Remulla a fair shake. The President has until the last week of October to make a decision and appoint a chairman, which he said he will only do if the JCB submits a short list of those they would recommend to be appointed. And kung nandun si Remulla, it will most likely be an open and shut case. Pero bakit ba may pakitayo kung sino ang ombudsman? Well, it all has to do with the fact na the ombudsman will serve from the last 3 years ng presidency ni BBM and the first 4 years or more than half of the next president's term, which could very well be Sara Duterte. Kung si Duterte ang manalo sa 2028 at walang impeachment conviction na mangyayari, the ombudsman chairperson ang huling magiging hadlang sa total Duterte domination sa ating gobyerno.
At yun ang pagtapos ng News and Worthy Recap Weekly Edition for September 2025.